Now, whether you call these riding mowers or lawn tractors, this gear can do a whole lot more than just cut your grass.
But if you have grass to cut, this is the machine to do it. The mowing deck is easily set to cut your lawn to the ideal height. 42-inch wide dual blades cut a wide swath with each pass across the yard. The tight turning radius allows for snappy U-turns and makes it easy to trim next to structures, near edging, and around beds. But this is just the beginning. This machine from John Deere has nearly a dozen attachments that turn this lawnmower into an all-round, year-round workhorse. This spin spreader can hold up to 175 pounds of seed, fertilizer, insecticide, or other material, and make quick work of applying it. A 40-inch spike aerator like this one easily connects to the tractor. The weight tray accepts up to 100 pounds of weight for more aggressive aeration. In all, there are 132 steel tine tips aerating up to 2 inches deep. The tow-behind sprayer has a 90-inch wide boom for quick broadcast spraying. The adjustable handgun and wand extension comes with 18 feet of hose and sprays up to 30 feet. When summer turns to fall and leaves pile up on the ground, this tractor has a solution to getting them off the lawn. This rear bagger and a set of mulching blades turn the machine into a world-class leaf collector. Once full, the dual containers can be easily emptied into collection bags, compost bins, or a truck bed. A utility cart turns a lawn tractor into an around-the-home hauler that can save a lot of backbreaking work. Bulk materials like this playset ground cushion can be unloaded in a snap with the tilting box. If you live in a colder climate, there's a winter task for a lawn tractor. A dual-stage snowblower like this one can clear a driveway in a matter of minutes. The low-speed auger, in combination with a second-stage blower, easily handles snow that's deep, wet, or even encrusted. Winter, spring, summer, fall.
Now, if there ever was a tool for all seasons, well, I'd say this is it.